to buy AITAI protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of AITAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure you check their account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see, 15 hours ago, and increased by 52,000% in the last 24 hours. On the market cap, as you can see, it's $2.8 million. Now, this token, as you can see, trending number 4 in the Ethereum section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click it to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now, first of all, I will just open to buy wallet to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, what you need to do, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Ethereum network. Now, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet and paste the token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this outcome. But before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that risk. And if you are ready to go, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and click on this search icon and type it in the search bar. As you can see, AITAI, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. As you can see, now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive with that token. Now here you will be able to see swap, click on it, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AITAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.